Hi everybody, excuse me. um, I'm just coming on real quick to show you some tassels I made. I was inspired by, I knew about them already, but then I was watching Crafting with Joey, and I was like, oh yeah, I should make some tassels. And then I watched Betsy Doodle, and then she made some tassels too. And I was like, well, yeah, I guess I should make some tassels. I guess it was, a hint. And so I made these tassels. Um, Betsy Jewell said she was inspired by Antonio. Antonio makes. Um, so yeah, these are the ones that I've come up with. These are those fabric beads. Um, Lori Richardson Haley, Lori Haley Richardson. I can't think of her name, but something Lori Richardson Haley, I think. She shows how to make these fabric beads. And then I sewed some beads on the bead. And all my papers and trash are over here. And here comes Cindy Lou. And then this one I tried with the bead and the bump. And I liked it better without this bump. Cindy Lou. And then this one I made with these are beads made out of fabric softeners, and then I coated them with these things. I can't think of what they're called now. So I made it with these things. I can't think of what they're called. Use your heating tool, the Versamark, and embossing powder. So I just took, and Betsy Doodle shows how to do these. Cindy Lou, move. I just took like some baby wipes that I had. That's what I used, baby wipes. Baby wipes that I had used to wipe up paint and stuff. And then I dip them in the Versamark, and then I dipped them in embossing powder. And here's like a recent one that I've made. And I just hold it on these scissors so I don't burn my fingers. So I can put it down a little bit. And yeah, and then I just use those as the knob, I guess. Betsy Doodle, would you call this a knob? And I don't know what it is about cats and videos. Cindy Lou, get out of here. But yeah, so I just thought I'd show you all that. I thought they came out real nice with that extra little bit of something. And then I was going to show, like those Tim Holtz little rolls of things that cost a lot of money. I just got these things that I got on Amazon. It's a bunch of little tiny pictures. I like them because of the scale. But you can use anything. Scale doesn't really matter. Sometimes the big looks cooler than the small one. But just anything. And then just cut strips. And that's what I did with this. And you can cut them with the, those scissors that make mark edges and stuff, or anything. So I made a few of those, and I think that's about it. I just wanted to show y'all my these things. I thought they came out cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. I guess you can put them on a journal, or this one's so long, or just have them around, hanging around looking pretty. So thank you guys for watching, and y'all take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.